Hello, let's create a footer design. I'm going to open a footer tag like this. Then inside this footer tag, I'm going to create a class called container. And within this class container, I'm creating another class called footer content like this. Now, I have to duplicate this. I will have like 3 classes like this. So I'll come back to the first class, which is footer content here, and I'll have a title. And this title, I'll use H3, then say heading will be contact us. Now I'll introduce a paragraph here with a P tag. Then I'll say this will be phone. Then I'll enter the contact like this. Then another paragraph. So I will have to duplicate this one, paste it below. I will have like 3 of them because we need email and also we need address. So here I am going to type email, sorry. Then I will indicate my email, enter my email here like that. Move on to phone. I'll change this one to address. Okay, so you can enter your address here. I would say 203 comma, then you can name your city. All right, that is the first class. Now moving on to the second class. Here I'm going to introduce a heading tag, and this one will be quick links. Now below here, below this heading, I'm going to introduce another class called list. And within this class, I'm going to introduce URL tag with li tag, that is list tag, and okay. So I will say the first link will be home, and I'll have to copy this one. Let me paste below. I have like let me duplicate it to like 5 of them. So the first one was home, the second one will be about, I will say, okay, it has to be about here. Third one will be, I will say blog, and the fourth one, I will say contacts, right? So let me move on to the next class. So down here, I'm going to introduce a heading as well. That is a H3. Then the heading will be follow us. Okay. I'm also going to introduce a light tag, that is list tag. And inside this, I'm going to have my list. I'll say Twitter, list of my social media accounts. You can as well, you can use what we call icons. You can copy it from the Bootstrap site, but in this case I'm not going to indicate that. So here I'll type anchor tag href, then I will say Twitter. I will still have to duplicate this and have like 3 of them, right? The second one, I will say TikTok. Third one, I will say Facebook. Let me say Facebook. You can add as many as you want. So for me, I'm going to leave it there. Now, before I check the result, I need to also add another bottom bar here, just below this closing div tag. I'll say I will indicate another class called bottom bar. So inside this, I'm going to enter p tag, then I will say anti-copy 2024 Suri ICT. Then you can say all rights reserved, just like that. That will be below that will be at the bottom bar, right? So let me save this one, go to my browser, just try to refresh. Boom, there they are. There you are. You see? So what I need to do is now to apply style CSS to my HTML file. Now I'm going to start, then I'll say padding. Padding here gonna be 0. Then margin gonna be 0 as well. Okay. I will say font size. Font family, that is, I will choose sans serif, or you can choose with any, or you can download the fonts from Google. Now for this, I'm working with the Times New Roman, no problem. Then I will say color. The color of the text gonna be white. Okay. Now I'm checking on my index, my HTML file. I need to apply CSS to this footer here. Now let me go back to my CSS. Then here I'm going to say footer. Then I will say the footer should have a black background. So I'll pick this black, then I can adjust it a bit. Okay, that's okay. So the footer will have something like that color, could be dark or something. So let me refresh. It is applied. Now it looks so nice. The next thing is I need to apply my CSS to this class called a container. Just simple like that. Copy that, then come to your CSS, because it's a class, indicated dot container. Okay, now the container will I'll have to display should be flex, and then justify content center, and then I will say okay, okay, let me check first. Okay, it's okay. Okay, now I have to have a space between these columns. I will say justify content. Here I will say space between, so they will have space between. Now if we check within these footer columns, now you see we have space in between them, in between. Okay, now I have to add something here. I will say margin top. I will use 20% so that it moves down, not should not hang up that. So when you refresh, there you are. Now what I need to do here again, I need to add padding, and this padding I would say 180 pixels from top to bottom, then 10%, like that. So when you refresh your browser, this is what you're going to see. The content will move a bit closer, then the will have to widen a bit. So that one looks nice. Let me move to something else here. I need to apply CSS to these that is heading 3 tag. So I need to have space. You should have the space at the bottom so that it may not be so close to the other content. So I'll say heading 3. Then I'll say bottom, margin bottom. Okay, let me begin with font size first. say 18 pixel. That's okay. Then the next one I will say I will say what color. I can change this color to gold. Yeah, yes, that one I think will look so nice. Then margin bottom should have space below. So this one I'll say 15 pixel. Now when I refresh, then check, there you are. Now it looks so nice. This one's so nice. So the next thing I need to do is to work on the list, this list class, and remove maybe the text decoration and list style, like just like that. So I'll say dot list ul li, then I'll say list style should be none. Yes. Okay, let's check. As you can see, now it looks good. The next thing is to remove that underline, and I'm going to say dot list ul li angle tab. Now I'm going to say text decoration supposed to be none. So it will remove that underline. Okay. You see, let me show you. Okay, it has removed. Let me move to something else. I need to add some hover effect. Okay, I'll say dot list ul li anchor tag, then I will choose hover, right? Then the color, I'll say color, the hover color should be gold. You can work with any color you like, but for my case, I choose gold. And up here on this one, I'll say transition should be at least 0.5 seconds is in out. Now, let me go to my browser, refresh, and then try to move your cursor over your, see, now we have a beautiful hover effect. Now, let me come on this side as well. I need to remove those list, I need to, that list style, and I need to make it none. Now it's here, I will say li on CSS, li. Okay, then I'll say list style, just like the way I did. Then you're going to say none. Okay. Then I will say li and go tag. Then I'll say text the decoration here supposed to be none. We don't want that underline. Then I will apply some hover effect as well. I'm going to repeat the same. Okay, here should not be have dot because it's not a class. So here I'm going to say hover, then color I will still use what we call gold, right? Okay, I will still copy this transition and apply some, not here, don't apply it here. I supposed to have applied somewhere here. Okay, then I'll delete the one below. Say this one is not supposed to be save, right? Let's check. There you are. Now looks so good. Now I need to move this bottom paragraph somewhere at the center. So I will apply some CSS to this bottom bar class. So I will copy it, then come to my CSS. Here, let's see, dot bottom bar, text align supposed to be at the center, just like that. So it will move that paragraph too. to the center. Then I'll have to apply some border. I'll say border. Here I'll say 2 pixel, and then solid. I will apply some white color. I'll use just color white. Then will be hash FFF. That is the code for that color. Ooh, having some challenges here. Oh, need to apply some hashtag before the. Oh, that's okay. I'll save. Now let's check. Looks so nice. The text has now moved at the center. The next thing is to improve and is to increase the size, the font size of that text. Same dot bottom bar P, then I will say font size. I can increase it to around 16 pixel so that it may look at least better. Something here again, font weight, make it bold. Yeah. Okay. There you are. Oh, you guys, thanks for watching. Consider following and subscribing for more.